7-year-old thoroughbred mare.
Andrea Leatherman, Nevaeh.
Andrea and Nevaeh over the second, clear at the roll top. Through the Dunes complex, clear at 15 AB and 16, clear so far on the intermediate course. That's Jon Holling and Blue Rondo.
Jon Holling and Blue Rondo.
Blue Rondo and Jon at the lattice jump, clear over that. That's jump 17 on the course of 21 numbered obstacles. He'll turn right-handed down to the 18 AB combination, taking him into the water. Heading the other direction now and over the third, the roll top, arriving at the Munch stable. Andrea Leatherman and Nevaeh. He's over the fourth now, going to 5, the pheasant feeder. No problems at the water for Jon. And Blue Rondo clear now at 18 and 19 A and B.
Andrea and Nevaeh again.
They're 5 and 6 now. That's Andrea Leatherman and Nevaeh over the pheasant feeder in the 6 ABC back to brush combination. Jon Holling and Blue Rondo, meanwhile, coming to the end of the course over the 20 AB combination, the log to the corner. He has one more jump to jump, heading to 21, the pine brush.